Welcome back, everybody. It's day 3 of my crypto challenge of turning my STEMI check into $42,000, 30xing my money. And today I started Wednesday at $1,400 with just the STEMI check. And today we were up another $165 from yesterday. So $165 day roughly. And I'm at 1807.11, 1,807 when I looked this morning, just a little bit ago. So one of the things I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about and show you something is about Storm X. What I've been doing right now, and Storm X was something I told you to buy on Wednesday, or is one of the things I showed you I bought. I shouldn't say I told you to buy. I'm not telling you to buy anything. It's one of the things I bought if you were following my trades and what I was getting into. And I'm really glad I did it, but I've changed my mind on it. And let me tell you why, and let me show you a couple things that have happened since. Okay, so this is the spreadsheet I told you to make, something like this, just to keep simple tracking. And this is what I like to do. I like to sell off, scalp the profits until I'm at a point that I'm playing with house money. So I don't have my investment in it anymore. Then I feel more confident. It's like gambling, right? It is to me. And people say, oh, Bitcoin and crypto isn't gambling. Well, for me, it's more fun if I consider it like gambling. And so it is gambling to me. Crypto, stocks, investing, real estate, car flipping, retail arbitrage. It's gambling. I'm buying something on the opportunity that I can do something with it and make more money. So for me, I'm sorry, that's how I think of it. So I like to, if you go in, at a casino in Vegas, and you put down $100 and a few hours later you're up 500. I like to take my 100, put it back in my pocket. Now I've got 400. You know what? If I lose the 400, it's an opportunity cost. It's financial loss, but it's the house's money at the end of the day. I don't feel so bad going home back to my house when I leave Vegas saying, I still got my money in my pocket. I lost the house money. You get what I'm saying? So that's what I like to do. It just helps me psychologically. So if I can sell off and scalp off the profits, and to the point that I don't have any money invested in it, I'm a lot more aggressive. So you get the point. But anyhow, so I started on Wednesday. It was my biggest purchase, Storm X. All the others I did $200. That one I did $280. Got in at 3 cents. It went up to 8 cents last night. I was watching it. My little daughter was sitting beside me. I was screaming. I was just super excited. Anyhow, so I did sell off a few later that day. Nothing the second day, but last night I made a couple different sales, or yesterday throughout the day. And here's where I'm at right now. So after getting my money back from the 280, I have $59 roughly invested in Storm X. And it's currently valued, when I last looked, $312. So that's a great return. I'm really excited about that. What I plan on doing is selling off about maybe, let me tell you how my mind changed. Selling off this other $59 so I have nothing in it. And I believe when I do that, I'll still have $300 worth of Storm X. Now, here's why my mind's changed. I've been getting deeper and deeper into this about what is all the hype around it. I knew there were some good things about it. That's why I got into it, and that's why I got into it heavier. But the more I learn about the founders and the staff, the more I learn about this thing has actual utility. Now, here's the conversation that's going on in my head. That's pretty slick. You get rewards. It's like getting cash back, but you get crypto back for spending money on things you normally would spend money on, but you're going to get crypto back. And it's no charge to you. It's exactly what you were going to spend before. And so, I'm learning about that yesterday in a deeper detail than I did before. And I really got into it this morning. And I'm like, I want to try it. I want to get some Storm X because they do DoorDash and they do Uber and a couple other things. So I said, you know what? I'm going to throw some money into, and I'm going to open up a Storm X account, the app, and I'm going to throw some money in it. And my wife and I take Uber often, and if I order DoorDash, I'm just going to begin to play with it because it sounds very intriguing, very interesting, and I want to see how it works and learn more about it. But if I'm having that thought, I like to think I'm ahead of the curve. Everybody else is kind of what I've been doing, is on this emotional hype about Storm X as an investment, but this thing has actual utility. It has an actual thing you can do with it, not just investing. People don't understand blockchain. They're just trying to make a dollar. This is going to be something that people are going to have the same thought I have. I think I want to try that out. Then they're going to refer it to their friends. And I can see the thing snowballing and becoming something much, much bigger by the end of the year. We're talking, and I'm not making price predictions, but if we hit 8 cents last night, man, could we go to 50 cents or $1 by the end of the year? I mean, this thing really has some potential, in my opinion, my humble opinion, and I am by no means a guru. I'm not telling you to buy this, but what I have changed my mindset on is I may or may not still try to get my 60 bucks back. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but I definitely am adding Storm X STMX into my long-term plans. So right now I'm kind of just holding, Cardano ADA, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. I think are really my main ones I've been thinking about when I think about long-term. I stick some money in their account and I don't watch it day to day. I'm just expecting it's going to do something in the long term in the next 6 to 12 months, like I said. So that being said, this is great. It's confusing out there right now. It's great. It's this bull market, and you really, if you just put $100 in, everything is listed on Voyager. You on the averages, everything's up. You'd be making money. It's crazy right now, and you'd be making a lot of money. Some things are down, but the averages of everything, you'd be making a lot of money. It's just crazy how easy it is to win right now. But there's so many coins and so many new things coming out and so many scam things. And I'm conservative. I really am. It's almost getting confusing. It's getting a little bit overwhelming. Luckily, it is a bull market and it's easy to win because it is confusing. But this is the great piece about diving into all this information and learning more. You're going to uncover some coins and some companies that you really believe in and you really see the potential in, and you could turn it into a more long-term investment, because this bull run market isn't going to last forever. But it's great that I'm digging up and finding some companies as well that I can kind of believe in long term. So I've changed my mind on Storm X. I'm not just going to scalp it anymore, but I actually am going to start holding some of it for the long term. Hope that's helpful. Hopefully it's a blessing. Keep following the journey. Hit that sub, hit that subscribe, hit the bell alert so you know when I drop these videos, and you can see what I'm buying and why I think it's working. So just from one noob to another, I hope that helps. I'll see you guys in the next video.